How to log in Walmart Workday account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Walmart Workday login. Now head over to the very first site. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on its official page. Once you're in here, what you want to do is tap on sign in at the top right corner of the screen. This interface will appear on your screen where you'll be able to log into your account. In order to log into your account, simply enter the email address associated with your account and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on Forgot Your Password. Follow the on-screen process and then recover it. Once you've recovered, enter it in this section and then tap on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be successfully logged into your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Walmart Workday account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.